Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace battery in Volvo S60 key fob, updated. Start by gathering a small flathead screwdriver and a CR2032 battery. Pry gently at the seam near the key ring to release the cover, then remove the old battery using the screwdriver tip. Note the battery orientation before removing it so you can place the new CR2032 the same way for proper function. Use steady, careful movements when opening the fob to avoid damage. Insert the flathead at the seam and twist gently until the cover pops free. Work around the edge if needed, rather than forcing one spot. Once open, set the cover aside on the soft cloth and inspect the battery chamber and clip to ensure there is no corrosion or debris before replacing the battery. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy hands-on projects, you might like the Kindle Paperwhite for relaxed reading while waiting for parts. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. The Kindle Paperwhite offers a glare-free reading screen and long battery life that pairs nicely with DIY breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When replacing the battery, match the positive side orientation exactly as the old cell was placed. Seat the new CR2032 firmly under the metal clip so it does not shift. Align the cover and press until you hear the snaps that indicate it is secured. Test all buttons and the remote locking range to ensure proper operation, and if the fob still fails, double-check battery orientation and contact cleanliness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.